All right, so I'm recording the session. Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. Okay, so today is our sixth session, okay, on this hands-on workshop series for micro credential at PPPJJ project. So let me remind you, we have done the first workshop, basically where you created your course. Okay, second workshop where I show you how to do video, especially your promo video. Okay, and then you can also use the same video animation for your content. Okay, and the third workshops basically is like revision. Okay, and then fourth workshop with Dr. Anis, and then the fifth workshop last week was on how to set up module sets, modules, and pages. So we are here today. And then what I would like to ask is KPI 2003, yes or no? So Dr. Omar, would you like to claim this your micro-credential course as KPI for 2003? Hi, Dr. Milad. Assalamualaikum. We just started.
I think it's better, it's safe if we, let's say, consider 2024.
Okay. So remember,
I'm not sure about this. Maybe we need your advice
okay.
in this matter.
What
To
about
me,
your
I'm a doer.
KPI,
If
Dr.
you-
Omar? Because I understand that you are contract lecturer.
Yeah,
Okay. Your completion of 1 year will be in which month?
the next month.
Next
November.
month.
Yeah.
So did you promise this micro credential as part of your KPI for the first year of your
2 year.
contract?
My contract is 2 year, and the micro credential has to be done within the first 2 year within the
Oh, the
contract.
first 2 years. So you are safe. So basically, Dr. Omar, you are saying that no,
I'm with you guys. If you
you will
decide
be.
we will do it
Uh-huh.
this year, okay,
Mm.
I'm a doer.
All right. So that means you are targeting for 2024. What about you, Dr. Milad? Because if you would like to claim KPI, micro credential.
Yeah, actually, my contract until 2024 February, end of February.
All right. So you don't want to claim micro credential KPI for this year, 2023?
I don't know. I can.
No, because if you would like to claim KPI, that means by December, the process of submissions to complete the course submission for the the endorsement by CDE has to be done as
End of
late
this year.
November. So we need to work backtrack. So I need to know, would you like to claim for KPI this year or not? If you like to claim for KPI this year, then you need to complete your course by early or mid-November.
Because my contract until 2024 February. I think for the second year is better for me.
All right. Okay. So you also like to claim.
But I try, but I try finished end of this year.
Okay, end of this year. If you finish by end of this year, that means you can claim for this year KPI. Okay, that means.
Oh yeah. Okay, I try. Yeah.
You can only claim. Okay, if you have submitted your course for assessment by CDE, because they will issue the endorsement whether is considered as completed micro credential or is still considered uncompleted. So there'll be some ding dong process you submit, and then they say, oh, you need to do some correction on your homepage, on your page, okay, on your video, okay, you do the correction, you submit to them, and then they will know, okay, then only is considered completed. Okay, so if you have that in mind, okay, so make sure you complete. We are talking about within 4 weeks, 1 month, okay, until
I think it's
mid-November,
better
so
for
that.
us, or let's say it is safe if we postpone to 2024. What do you think, Dr. Azia?
Depends. Like Milad, do you have a lot of things to claim for KPI 2023? Dr. Omar, do you have other KPI? Like I don't have other KPI. Okay. So I need to push for conference proceeding, for example. So that's my KPI.
We have a lot.
So if you have a lot, then you are safe. So you can, consider this as, as extra, or you can bring it forward to 2024. That means you can complete it by the first quarter of 2024 and claim under 2024. No problem. Okay. Because
Okay.
I'm trying to chase everybody. If the deadline is for 2023, that means I need to chase you to make sure that the micro credential is completed. Okay, earlier, at least by late November, so that checking can be done. Okay, assessment, the endorsement by CDE can be done so that you can claim by December in your KPI, in the system as well, because CDE will do it, okay, in the system, not we do it, like the other things like publication journals and so on. Okay, so before that, have you looked at this slide? Have you looked at this slide? Wait, how to slideshow? Okay, from beginning. Okay, so this slide is your go-to, okay, in case you are stuck. Okay, so in case you are stuck, okay, where to start? Okay, by right, you should know that, why you need to do these micro credentials. You need to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, as a peer support. Okay, you ask questions sometimes. Okay, you are doing it in the middle of the night, you need help. Okay, somebody can respond perhaps. Okay, there are some of you, definitely not Milad. Okay, those with license. Okay, so basically those with license, you already gone through this stage of preparing cost mapping. So with cost mapping, then you get the license. Okay, so if you are not yet to prepare this cost mapping, okay, you need to join the course. Okay, a sample course at this URL. Okay, MOOC-MC-USM with access code. And then go to the modules on to plan, cost mapping, watch the recording, and you can follow the cost mapping sample by Dr. Anis. Bear in mind, okay, I'm looking at your module sets, modules and pages later, okay, after this. Each micro-credential has to be only one learning outcome and 40 hours of student learning time. Not more, not less. Okay, later you will see that why some course might looks quite long, okay, quite lengthy, while some course might look very simple. Okay, so is that 40 hours of student learning time? Okay, we need to consider that, because that will be the things that the assessor, okay, for the endorsement by CDE, the external that they appoint, they will consider, whether it's justified 40 hours of student learning time. Okay, you know that. Okay, and then hands-on workshop series, let me remind you, unless there are notice, okay, basically we are having it every Wednesday afternoon for 1 hour from 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, if you couldn't make it, please let me know. So let's say you have other things pre-committed, let me know, so that if I see that many of you cannot make it, I can cancel it for that week. For the first hands-on workshop, okay, the YouTube is basically the recording. Okay, you can refer to the recording, but basically what you need to do, okay, is join the course, the sample course with the access code again if you have not done this. There's also step-by-step instruction to create a course on open learning. Okay, Dr. Milan and Dr. Omar, bear with me because I need this for the recording. Okay, and then to create your first course banner in Canva with the size 2340 multiply with 340, go to Canva. There is a sample there. You can create your own, okay, and then download and upload in your course banner, okay. And then there's also your first course thumbnail with the size 600 multiply with 400. Go to Canva. The link is editable. You can create your own and then upload the course thumbnail. So check. Okay, Dr. Omar, you need to improve on your course banner because the pixel is the pixel is not clear. Okay,
Yeah,
Dr. Milad, okay, your course banner, okay, as well. Okay,
Okay.
workshops number 2. Okay, I have not checked. Later we'll do this. Okay, establish your online presence in open learning platform. So make sure you update your profiles. Okay, about me. Okay, top right corner. okay, in the platform. Okay, change your course status. You need to do this in order for you to add, I think you need to do this offline to online in order for to add other people as course admin. In this case, to add myself and Dr. Anis. But however, once you done this, you need to go back to your course setup and go offline again, because okay, I'm showing here. So I'm showing that some of you, like Dr. Khatijah, your course is on now, okay? Even though you are not ready yet, so your course is on. So there might be people will be frustrated because they saw that, you know, your course is online but they cannot join in. So make sure you go offline. There are few okay, Dr. Milad as well. Okay, last time you go online because you need to add me as admin. Okay, now go back and offline. Okay, and Dr. Ashraf as well. Yes, Dr. Ashraf as well. Hi, Dr. Shafiqa. Okay, thank you for joining in. Okay, Dr. Omar, you also need to go offline. Okay, right. So go back to this one. So you need to check from time to time. Okay. And then add both myself and Dr. Anis as course admin. Dr. Shafiqa, I cannot see your course. I cannot check because you have not add me and my Dr. Anis as course admin. So go through these steps. Okay, list of cohort participant. Okay, for you to basically as of today, PJJ has a total of 18 18, not 70, it's 18 micro credential. It's a 3-year project now. Okay, so we would like to have more. Okay, how to create a promo video. I have a lot of samples and how to use Powtoons for video animation here. Okay, all this link you can present live. Okay, okay, wait. Not allowed. I don't want this block. Okay, stop. I'll go back. Okay, from current slide.
Excuse me,
Okay.
Dr. Razia.
Yes.
You said I need to turn off my course offline.
Offline.
Okay.
Course setup. This is the
Yeah,
instruction. Course setup. General. Course status. You drag the cursor.
yeah.
Currently green. You drag to the left and it become offline.
Done.
Okay, good. Okay, next slide, third workshops. Okay, so this is Dr. Omar, you share your promo video. But today when I check, your landing page is still empty of video.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to put, because we are building out your course supposedly with this hands-on workshop bits by bit. So if you follow through, okay, maybe you spend 1 hour for the hands-on session and then you do another 1 hour for your homework, basically follow up. Okay, so by right you should have your course, you know, the frame of your course should be ready by now. Okay, and then I also show you how to create content video using artificial intelligence in Canva, Magic Design, where you need to enter only 5 keywords. But again, okay, like what we hear from the micro-credential workshops, using AI is beneficial as long as you are still in charge. You are the course manager, you are the course content provider, you need to know your stuff. So if you're talking about English for medical profession, you know exactly what you need. So using AI is just to facilitate, okay? And then, how to create content using Genially, like Dr. Omar, I'll show you. Okay, Dr. Omar, sorry, I keep on referring
It's
to,
all right.
okay. Okay, Dr. Omar is here. Okay, so currently what you're having is like very texty, you know, it's just text. So try to change some of this into maybe infographics, maybe into interactive image, okay, using Genially. Okay, there's a lot of things you can do. You can also edit here okay, using, change the color, change the font size, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, make it more interesting. Okay, and then language options, promo video. Okay, this is for Dr. Omar. If you haven't done this, Dr. Milad as well. On your landing page, you need to have learning outcome. Make sure you upload a maximum of 2. That means preferably only 1, because 1 micro credential is basically for 1 learning outcome stop for 40 student learning time. Okay, and then include the course blurb. Okay, try to tease people. Imagine this landing page is for you to sell your course for those who are looking for information, perhaps like on landslide, Dr. Milad. Okay, so they come across they search for landslide. Okay, they come across your landing page. So your course blurb need to be something, exciting, something that attract, why you need to join this course. Okay, and then you need to fill up the course informations, the outcome summary. Okay, further information. For example, if you are English for medical professionals, so you need to have already passed certain level of basic English. Okay, and then make sure whenever you do changes to the landing page, you need to click save, and then you can view. Okay, a new page will pop up as landing page, so that is what the public will see. And then the same promo video, you need to upload them on the home page, because the promo video will have the title of the course, will have the learning outcome, will have information about the what they will learn, roughly the syllabus or the modules covered, as well as who is teaching the course. So if someone already click join the course, okay, at the landing page, so once they click join the course, they will not come to that page again. So if they want to see your promo video other than going to YouTube, okay, they have nowhere to find it. So what I suggest is the same promo video that you put up in landing page, you need to put it on home page as well. So home page, you need to have welcoming message. Okay, so we are doing this for our Pearl. Okay, for our Pearl sim now. Okay, so more or less the same thing. Okay, learning outcome, welcoming message, how to navigate. Okay, you just need to adapt the current navigation, okay, text, okay, so that it suit your purpose. Oh, okay, and then this is the fall workshop with Dr. Anis. Dr. Anis will fill up this part. Okay, and then the 5th workshop last week. So we covered these module sets, modules pages. So this is the step for you to create module sets, modules and pages. Okay, this is how you edit. Okay, and then for each page of the content, you should have the subtopic learning outcome. And then you have the content delivery or the presentation of your content, either is concept, either is, whatever, in terms of video, slides, PDF. Okay, and then you need to have formative activities to ensure that learning has taken place. That means if you put out video, how do you check that students understand the concept that you explain in the video? If you share slide, how do you check that students go through the slide and they gain something? What are the take home from the slide? It can be you share journal article, PDF, then what you need the students to discuss, perhaps, okay, in terms of not necessarily in terms of quiz, but also reflection, sharing of text, video, image file. Okay, so remember, open learning platform basically is student centered. We would like the student to not just watch video. Okay, so we are trying to do this with sim as well. Okay, student will not just download the slide, watch the WebEx recorded. Okay, they need to really engage with the content. So in Open Learning Platform, their engagement will be shown as e-portfolio. Okay, I'll show you this as well. And then for each pages, okay, this is how you edit each pages. Click edit, okay, drag and drop the widgets. Okay, make sure you save when you click this widget and click view, okay, so that you can change the thumbnail. So we have come to today's session. So let me check. Okay, this is just now again, let me remind for those need to go offline. Okay, Dr. Omar, is it or still maybe update? Okay, refresh the pages. Maybe it's not there now.
By the way, Dr. Razia, is it too
Yes,
late to change, let's say, the name of the course?
the name in term of the, you know, this one you can change anytime. Okay, I'll show you this one. Okay, general. The name of the course, for example, I'm not going to change this learning algorithm in artificial neural network. Okay, you can change this part only.
Okay, done.
You can change the course name as in, you know, whatever appear in the banner, whatever that, you know, appear in term of this one, the course here. But cannot change in term of URL.
Okay, okay. The
Okay,
URL
so
is no big deal. Okay.
yes, URL you cannot change, but this one you can change. The course name you can change. So accordingly, you can change those in the banner as well. Okay, I'm going to make sure that Dr. Ashraf and the gang, so offline. Okay, so offline, and then as you can see, Dr. Ashraf has 6 module set. Each one is 3 pages. Okay, second one 3 pages, 6. Okay, and then 4, 11. Oh, 5. Okay, 11. Okay, plus 5, 16. Plus 3, 19. Okay, plus 3, 22 pages. Okay, I'm not sure, okay, but if you can justify this, okay, is this 40 hour of student learning time? Okay, don't get excited that your micro-credential become MOOC, okay? So if there is it become too long, you need to split, maybe introduction to, you know, artificial neural network, or, you know, something like that. Because the issue of student cannot complete the course. Okay, they will not achieve the learning outcome. Okay, because this is the problem with MOOC. I already explained last time. MOOC, basically you put out the 4-unit, 3-unit course, is 14 weeks long. It's quite lengthy. You have a lot of things to do. So the motivation for students to complete the course is gone. Okay, and they will not complete the course. They will not get the badge. They will not get the certificate. So it's not win-win situation. So what we promise, we need to deliver. So at the end of this course, you need to be able to, okay, so homepage, what you need to be able, okay, understand the fundamental of the learning phase and synaptic weight computation, okay, and then determine the fundamental optimization, blah, blah, blah. So this is the maximum of 2, okay,
Dr. Razia, can you
yes.
show how do we create pages within the, let's say, each module?
Okay, so you just go to, okay, let's say this is your, wait, your course, okay, you go to course setup, go to content. Currently you have this, right? So
Yeah.
which pages you would like to create?
And
Communication?
yeah, each one, it has to be like 1 or 2 pages.
Okay, communication, do you have sub-modules under communication?
Under communication,
This is
1,
what we call module set, like okay,
2,
again, go back to this one. Go
2.
back
I have 2.
to, this is what we call module set. Okay, so this is basically just straight to pages, no sub-module, you know. So you can have sub-modules like 1.1 submodules 1.2, and then 1.1 you have 2 pages, 1.2 you have 2 pages. So you need to determine that beforehand.
Okay, so how do I create it?
All right.
Here.
So what is the modules under like
Communication?
this one? What do you need? What you need to name this? Straight away to pages.
Let's say one, importance of effective communication. The second one is strategy for effective communication.
Wait. Number one is importance of
Effective communication.
effective.
Yeah.
Communication. Okay. Okay. And then number two is
Number two is the strategies to overcome communication barrier.
strategies to overcome communication barrier. Barrier or barriers?
Barriers.
Barriers. Oh, it's okay. Okay. So now you create these sub modules. Okay, basically module set communication, you have sub module, importance of effective communication. Now the first page is what?
This one, the importance of effective communication.
Oh, this is page.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can try this. Importance of effective communication. Communication. Just enter. Then become a page there. Then you can create still talking about effective communication, maybe second page. This one is strategies to overcome.
Don't worry, I'll go.
Uh-huh.
I can fix everything.
Communications barrier. Communication barrier. Okay, so it's done. So if you like to have more pages, okay, and then you go to the right, create pages, add the page name and then enter. Add the page name and then enter. If you have the third, sub modules under communication, then you go down, add a new module. So bear in mind, what you need to have in mind is you have module set, and then modules, and then pages. Like Dr. Ashraf looks like he skipped the module set, he goes straight modules, he keep the modules. From module set, go to pages. Okay, so you done this. Okay, and then what you need to do is, currently for Dr. Ashraf is, you cannot see it here. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to course setup, go to appearance. Okay, the module set that you create will appear on the right hand side. Who's got it should appear on the right hand side. How come it's not appear? Oh, it's under learning activities. Because when you put everything under learning activities, it's very difficult for students to navigate. They have to click and then they see this one. I would prefer, in the case of Dr. Omar, you have something like this, where you have it, I can jump straight to module set on communication. Okay, I jump straight. Next, medical vocabulary. Okay, set. Okay, and this one, this is the first module sets, and then medical vocabulary. Okay. Oh, okay, because this one not yet created. So for Dr. Omar, okay, you already create this. It's just that there are better sample I show you by Dr. Hadijah. No, not Dr. Hadijah. No, someone, I forgot. Where is it? That is better organized. Like this. This is module A. This is module sets. Okay, module sets. And then module A1. Set A, first submodule, and then you have 2 pages. And then submodule A2, you have only 1 page. It's okay. And then module A, submodule 3, you have 1 pages. Do you see, Dr. Omar, Dr. Milad?
Yeah.
The Shafika. So this is more structured. So Dr.
Yeah,
Omar, you need to label it as, either you use A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 as indicator. Currently, you have like communication, medical. Maybe do you want your student to go through modules by module in order, or they can simply jump ahead to hospital ward and personnel, okay, and then they can simply do symptom and pain and then only do the communication module? Depends. If you want it like, it's a standalone, they can simply go start anywhere, it's fine. But if you would like the student go through the process of, they need to do this, especially if you are doing like this one, decision tree technique or artificial neural network just now, definitely need to be A to Z kind of things. So you need to label it, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. So that is clear. Okay. So this one, Dr. Khadijah. So for the home page, same thing, not yet updated. Okay, landing page as well. Okay. So I'm not sure that Dr. Shavika dah add me and add myself. Me
Yes,
and
done.
Anis. Huh?
Done.
Done. Okay, let me try again. Okay, so you need to do all of this. Okay, Dr. Shafika. Oh, okay, sorry. Because today's session will be a short one. Tak boleh lah, Dr. Shafika. It leads here. I click your this one. Your URL, it brings to the Learning for Life page, home page basically. Tak apalah, maybe you can try fix it. Okay.
Is this the same link that I provide or what?
Yes.
Dekat chat box.
Oh, chat box. Okay, sorry. Wait. Chat box.
Not much different from what I have
Okay.
shown last week.
Okay. What about the question? You want to claim this micro credential as KPI last year or KPI this year? KPI this year or next year? My God. Still
Are
not
we
working, huh?
supposedly to complete this by this year, right?
So if we're talking about this year, that means, okay, I need to follow you. Okay, make sure that 4 weeks time you have the course ready for endorsement, at least for
Actually, we have an option to say yes or no.
depends, like we discussed earlier with Omar and Milad already have a lot of paper. Omar has a lot of paper. In my case, I don't have paper. Okay, I need something to claim KPI. Then I need to really make sure that I completed my micro credential. So if you have your other baskets like Omar and Milad, the 2-year contract is at least one micro credential within the 2 year, which will end in 2025. So that means they can still claim KPI for next year. So they have no hurry. Okay. So depends. So Dr. Shafika, you still want, do you have a lot of things to claim for KPI?
Okay. In this case, I mean, I have promised to produce one MC this year. Promise to myself, by the way. So
and I think you have a lot of material already, right?
yes. So I aim to finish it by this year. What would be the latest date should
Okay,
I
this is how
complete it?
we work backward. Usually we need to fill in our LPP, all those things by December. Okay, and the endorsement has to come from CDAE, whether is considered completed, or if the assessor said you need to do some correction, you need to improve some blah blah. So you need to submit by late November to CDAE. Today is already 18th October. 4 weeks from now, you submit, basically you have all the modules with the video and the activities done. Okay. and then submit for CDAE. CDAE will appoint the assessor, don't call it examiner. Okay, and then the report come back, you do the correction, and then basically you are ready to, you know, on the Learning for Life platform.
Understood.
So because if you do it in mid-December, you know, it's very difficult for you to claim because CDE will not have the time to endorse the cost. And some assessor will take time to go through the micro-credential. Okay? So still I cannot join your course. I already joined your course, I think. I already seen, okay? But maybe, I don't know what happened. Okay. So back to this one. So make sure you follow through whatever that we already discussed during the hands-on workshop. Start with the landing page. Okay, landing page here, you need to have promo video. Okay, and my suggestion is whenever you are working in, you are joining hands-on workshop, you know, make sure whatever that you create as a sample can be used straight away. Okay, like, you know, when you create banner, okay, it's as a sample, but make sure you can use it straight away. Do it right the first time. Okay, you can edit later, like because we are doing it in Canva, in Genially. So all these basically you can use and then you can edit later. Same thing if you are creating animations video using Powtoon, using all the other things, you can always, you know, edit later. But at least have something to promote your course. Okay, basically have something on this landing page, the course blurb, the course introduction, okay, you know, further informations, okay. So make sure you fill out all of these and then click save. Don't forget to click save. Okay, I don't want to touch all these things. Okay, I don't want to be responsible. And then for your home page, okay, now, okay, the public, okay, you already have student who join your course. This is what they will come to. Okay, I'm not sure about your sim. Okay, maybe I can show my sim because I did this. Okay, I did this. So I'm not sure. Maybe you can show something like, you know, when they come to your, something like this. Okay, show your face. Oh, this is my course, introductory economics. This is the learning outcome. This is the syllabus, the first part. Okay, so in one class, okay, you capture their attention. So if possible, you know, use a lot of this design because you have the license. Even if you don't have the license, you can use the free Canva. No need to subscribe. You it has limitation, but it's sufficient. Last time I used the free Canva, okay, free Genially, free Powtoon, free everything. Okay. So make sure you have something like this one. Okay, and then you can also have okay, like this one. Let's say you are co-teaching. You can have, you know, put the faces. Student always confused. Okay, and then the syllabus in one glance instead of you having text. Now you show it in terms of infographic. Okay, there are 9 topics. There are 3 lecturer. Which topic belong to which lecturer? Because this is co-teaching. Okay, so back to this this one. Okay, wait. I need to move this. So homepage need to be improved. Okay, make sure welcoming, you can have welcoming. I wish I can show you Dr. Nosohana. Okay, maybe this is too much because it's a MOOC. Okay, but as a sample, okay, what you can do. I'm not asking you to follow, you know, do a lot of things, but just to give you idea what you can use. Okay, this one. This is Dr. Nosohana from biology section. This is a MOOC. Okay, MOOC means it's free course. So this is about sustainability, wild animals. So you see, we have, this is the homepage. Because, and then you need to consider the theme. This is about the fauna. Okay, so you have the tiger in the background. Okay, the color. Okay, this is homepage. Okay, using Genially, you say the welcoming, introduce, because she has two personality for Dr. Swana, the avatar, and then the real Dr. Swana and another person. Okay. Okay, and then whenever you have Genially, you need to have instructions. Untuk to get to know the instructor, click the tab Jom Berkenalan, get to know each other here. Okay, as introduction, okay, student needs to watch the following video. So this avatar, if you have iPhone, okay, skip this part. Okay.
Hai, saya Dr. Su terlebih dahulu ingin mengucapkan selamat datang untuk khusus kelestarian haiwan liar.
This is the second winner, okay, of USM last year. Okay, synopsis of the course, and then the learning outcome, and then the modules. Even though it's just image, okay, using Canva, but basically it's more attractive. Okay, and then if you are selling, okay, we also have lecturers who, you already win award like Dr. Ennis. Okay, so make sure you inform your audience, this is award winning class. If you have books that accompany your course, or you write that related to the course, okay, your website whatsoever, make sure you share the link. Okay, and then this is the introductions. Okay, and then how to learn. Okay, and then the modules. So this is like you need to go through the modules. Module 1, module 2, 3 pages, module 3, 2 pages. Okay, so do you want to see this? Okay. And then so each pages you need to have the sub-modules learning outcome. Okay, for what the student needs to know from this page. When they sit down, they read, they watch the video. You need to have the instructions, but this one is a bit lengthy. Okay, watch the video. Okay, and then the learning activities. Okay, download articles. Okay, this is quite heavy, I know. Okay, I'll show you one more examples. Okay, because I have access to all of this. One more is the Menjadi Japanese Prolific by our lecturer, Dr. Nazrin, now has left PJJ and moved to UUM. So this is a micro credential. Basically, it's about how you can be a prolific short story writer. Okay, so this is homepage. Okay, so having this what do you call this, something moving, capture people's attention. Okay, this is put your best photo. Okay, and when you are recording, okay, make sure for guys, for if you are male, you need to wear like collared shirt or proper shirt. Okay, I'm not asking you to put on your tie and your coat, but if possible, look professional and presentable. Okay, it can be casual like this one, but it looks presentable. Make sure your lighting, okay, like if you see me on my webcam right now, I don't put powder on my face, so my cheek are shiny, so that is not nice. So if you are taking video with your face, make sure you put powder even though you are male. Okay, because the lighting will have reflection and it will be shown on screen. Okay, so make sure you powder your face. Okay, and then make sure ladies put on lipsticks. Okay, make sure what you wear for the first video and what you wear for the second video, even though you shoot on the same day, you record straight away, but make sure you wear something different, put on different coat, put on a different headscarf, so that the student notice that, oh, this is new topic, this is new video. It's not like you can, because some of you are thinking like you prepare content for all your video and then you will spend one day from morning until afternoon to shoot all your content. No, that is wrong. Okay, because you will look the same in video 1 until the last video. It kind of boring for the students. They want to see you in different scenario, different, like, when you go to, I'm not sure about Milad or Dr. Omar. Have you been to face class? Students are interested, oh, you look beautiful today wearing your batik, that Shavika, or you look, you look something, okay? So that is first appearance. So you need to make sure that you appear attractive enough to attract their attention, that they can focus on the content that you will deliver. Okay, so and then, okay, this is the promo video. Okay, this is the learning outcome. Okay, very simple. At the end of this course, you will be able to write a quality short story that is publishable. So that is an outcome that can be measured. Because at the end of this, students need to submit a short story, and then as to be assessed as the final summative assessment. At the same time, the student need to submit the short story to publication, newspaper, magazine, wherever. So that, whether they got accepted or rejected, that is a different story. But proof of submission, okay, that will be, that will be shown on the e-portfolio that the student have fulfilled this criteria and, able to write a quality short story. So, mari berkenalan, get to know each other. Okay, you can do Padlet, okay, a lot of things, free Padlet. This one using Avatar, okay, and then the module sets, okay. So, with the thumbnail all change accordingly. So, for module 1, you need one thumbnail. Module set 2, you need different thumbnail. Module set 3, okay. So, this one, you can do it later. Okay, and then the final assessment. Okay, this is the one sample of one page. Compared to Dr. Nuswana just now, that is quite lengthy. This one is very simple. Okay, so module 4, and then you need to have preamble. Okay, preamble means, okay, you have come to this topic where previously you have learned about A, so now we are going to learn about B. So, ask questions to trigger, okay, the desire to know more. Okay, and then you present the content. Okay, now let's watch this video. You present the content, and then to make sure that, the students really watch the video and understand it. Okay, what do you think? Okay, what do you think about ideas, the importance of ideas in building a stories? So they share. Okay, 1, 2, okay. So, and then final assessment, write a short story, okay, and submit. This is the instruction, very simple. So I hope, Dr. Shavika, you lead the way, okay, for completion of micro-credential for 2023. So hopefully you make it like we have 20. Okay, because according to the list, we have a lot of those, including myself, who did not complete. Okay, so we have the intention, but whether we have the perseverance, okay, that is something else. Any questions so far? Any questions so far?
No, thanks.
All right, so that's all the time that we have today. So
Dr. Right.
yes.
If you mind to share, what else? I mean, the apps or the website that provide free pictures other than Pixabay.
Oh, we have this one. Okay, if you follow the link, okay,
Okay.
CDE resources, for templates like photo, Envato, slide models, okay, free video animations tool. So Envato elements. There are some that's CDE subscribe, where if you, I'm not sure which one. Okay. So,
Okay.
does it answer your question?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
This one not yet. This one, the best profile picture photo, major free tools in one spot. The best free site for HD stock picture and design, free pics. to write caption using AI, 3D images, okay, free images, background, PNG, free stock photos, raw pixel, okay, remove background free, because for Canva you need subscription to remove background, but if you are using free Canva, you can remove background using this one. Rewrite sentence, a lot of things. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so make sure make sure that you just use the WhatsApp group to ask question, because there are those who already completed, okay, and far ahead, so they will be the one who will be, you know, sharing advice and, you know, based on their experience. Okay, so thank you, Dr. Omar, Dr. Mila, and Dr. Shafika. Anything else, Dr. Mila?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All
You
right,
are
Dr. Omar.
the best.
Yes.
Said Dr.
Remember,
Razia.
even
Thank you
though
so
you
much.
are saying that you want to claim KPI for next year, but next year you will have a lot more things to do. Okay?
Exactly,
Doesn't mean that you are
exactly. Yeah.
free to let go of this project now so that you can concentrate next year. I'm sure you don't want to listen to my hands-on session again. Okay, so it's a matter of you doing it. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
giving you all the tools now.
We're lucky to be with you next year, inshallah, Dr. Razia. Don't worry.
No. Because I've been saying that this is the last time I'm conducting hands-on. I've been doing this 3 years running. Okay, it's quite repetitive, and I think it's not, there's no more value added for me. Okay, I have all the recording. You guys can refer to recording, but okay, of course, watching video is not the same as, you know, having it hands-on, real time. So that's why, okay, I want you to follow the steps. If you are like, left behind, cost mapping, so submit your cost mapping, get your license. If you have yet to create your course, go to the first hands-on session, create your course. If you already create your course, okay, your promo video, your landing page, do it. Okay, don't wait. Okay, with that, that's the last word. Okay, thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum. Salam sejahtera.
Thank you, Dr. Rab. Waalaikumsalam.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Razia.
Okay, bye.